All right, let's open some garbage rares. This is mixed up sealed, and we got an Oko. That's not a garbage rare. We have an overwhelming splendor, which is also not a garbage rare. I don't know what the fuck this is. Discards a card, loses two. Got three mythics in here. All right, they're all five of the different fucking colors. Okay, Channeler's fine. First to Ruin Games is very good. So it's looking like, I mean, Oko's just broken. All right, let's just. Angrath seems fine. Seems okay. It's these two mean I'm gonna want to try to be green, so we're gonna try to play her. Okay. We also really would want to play an Overwhelming Splendor if we could. We have Iganjo. We have Sunblade Samurai to help us splash. Inquisitors aren't good. Pegasus is fine. Protector is okay. But white is Omen of the Sun is fine, whatever. I mean, Candlegrove Witches, whatever. Blessed Defiance is whatever. Anyways, blue. Opt. Run Away Together is good. Eternal of Harsh Truths is decent. Field Research is good in a slow format like this. Devious Cover Up. Meh. Tomb Raider. Boon, Syncopate, all fine cards. Black. Black seems very thin, but you have Murder, Infernal Grasp, Die Young is alright. I don't have cartouches, obviously, so the trial's not good. What this is. Okay, bad. It's thin, and Murder you can't splash. So I'm not too into black. Red has Magma Spray, Magmatic Channeler. We don't have any fucking red cards. Holy shit. Okay, we have literally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 total red cards. Okay. Yikes. I don't have this is useless. Um Two fucking plummets. Wow, this is trash. What a garbage pool. I have counters. Yuck. I still think I have to. Okay. This means maybe I can splash for some shit. And oh my god, this is bad. What is this thing? Yeah, Farfinder. It can. Okay, all right. So I just play shit. I play a bunch of shit. Huh. Okay. And then all my fucking. I have an Evolving Wilds. That's good. Oh, I give my creatures trample. What the fuck is going on here? Okay. You two, we'll take you. I don't. I have. So I can put a counter on that. I can put a counter on this, or take one off. Right? Anything else with counters? It's whatever. Whatever. Cycles. So I do have a blue-white land. You know, I could probably splash that Overwhelming Splendor. Away, Field Research, Tomb Raider. Boon, Syncopate. And then I play like Iganjo, Splendor, Samurai. I have no fucking removal. It's not gonna work. I could play Beguiler, honestly. And then we do 2 planes, right? 2 planes. And wants... Oh my god, I have 0 fucking 2-drops. Just do this. Play a fucking turtle because I need 2-drops. What is this? I have no other... I have 1 dinosaur. It's this thing. So when it dies... Oh my god. What a fucking shit show. Okay. I have no creatures I care about. So this doesn't do anything. Play a stupid Dauntless Survivor. And the Prowlers. Something like that. Wow, what a shit show. Okay, so let's see what's going on here. All right. 13 creatures. I might get rid of this because I have nothing that ETBs. Well, I guess I have Tomb Raider. And Maulfist Revolutionary Farfinder. Okay, I have 4 things I guess it's fine with. Can also Oko swap something. Okay. So I can Oko and then swap and then get my creature back. Okay, so I have 4, 5, 6, 7 sources of white. 6. Oh, wait, no. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. White, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, 11. So I think my mana's fine. I just don't have any removal. Other than Oko, does this fight anything? No, I have Oko and Iganjo. That's it. And Splendor, I guess. Not good. Not good. Still gonna run it. I think we're still gonna run this. And then go fuck ourselves, right? Just need to cheat out 1 win to get our money back, so give it a shot. We have a couple bombs, but yikes. Yeah, about what I expected. All right. If I get a green mana, we're okay. If I don't, we're fucked. Yeah. If they play a creature this turn... Yeah. Okay, so we'll just play Tomb Raider. And then we can play Field Research. There's my green. So that means I can play Oko and turn that into a 3/3. Kelpie Guide. That's not good for me. There's no way for me to double spell unless I Sunblade Samurai and Dauntless Survivor. Guess I just get this online? This means they don't attack me, though, right? Well, and then I can make it... Okay, I kind of like that idea. I'm going to do this. And then we'll because this incentivizes them not to attack or spend removal on this. I can Dauntless. So if they do, for whatever reason, I guess they can double block, and I can kill their Kelpie Guide, but I can Dauntless Survivor here. And then if they play a 5-drop, which I'd imagine they would do, I can Oko it if I really need to. Glimmerbell. Well, yuck. So I can make a 2/4. I can Oko, make a food. Doesn't do anything. I think I want to grab a planes. And then a Rowan Games. Planes. Rowan Games, and then we just hang out, right? Uh-oh. Okay. Put 3. I guess I'd rather have a floor 4 flyer. Burn. That, and then we do what? Okay. And then I could play Daggertooth, but that doesn't do anything. I could play Dauntless Survivor here, and then kill their Kelpie Guide, which I think I want to do. Power 3 or less. God, I'm greedy. All right, so 1, 2, 3. So if we draw a land, I can play Oko here. Okay. Go. Daggertooth next turn. Yeah. So they swing with both. I mean, I want to keep Oko alive. Probably chump, and then I make my Dauntless Survivor a 3/3, so I can trade next turn. Maybe not. If they swing with both, I'll block with Survivor and the 1/1. Well, that's not going to work. Oh, it's a legend. Okay. So, can't do anything. Okay. I guess Oko is pretty good. They kind of fucked themselves there. Because the Mimic came down as a legend, and then I could just Oko it. So I think that pissed him off enough to just quit. Splendor. Oko. Yeah. I'm cool with just doing this. Then next turn, we'll see what we want to do here. Okay. I kind of want to wait until I can protect. Whatever. I'll just play this. Next turn, I can play Oko and keep up Runaway. Could do that and swing for 4. I'm going to do this. Yeah. All right. So now they'll probably want to kill my Ritualist so they can get in with Pride Malkin. Sure. Creature without flying. Okay. So then I guess I do this. Or do I just do this? So 1, 2, 3. We do this so we can pump. We have 2 things that they have to deal with. Creature without flying. Okay. And then we'll take their Pride Malkin next turn. Power through. Give him a food. Sure. Okay. Sure. All right, Oko. Just play Oko, and things go well. Yep. Good. Fucked up. So Oko 2, opponent 0. Yeah. On the play, and keep it. Probably just grab a planes here. Definitely gonna grab a planes. Battlefield tapped. Yeah, still gonna grab a planes, I think. Okay. So grab a plains and an island next turn with migration path. Do Do your worst. I could opt here, but I think I'm just going to let that resolve. Oh. Yep. Okay. Six. I'm going to opt first. Three. Deals 4. Okay, it's a gamble. There's an Oko. Alright. Boast. Okay. I wonder if I boom here. Can't actually cast that. Could make a food. Yes. Do that. Not attack. Sure. Another. Okay, so I couldn't take away the counter on it. Okay. Yeah. I'm good. Okay. Okay. Not great. Make a food. Just gonna do this. And then we'll take 3. I think well, shit. Now I feel dumb. Because we have Boone here. Kind of want to just find... Well, I already played a land this turn. I need to hit land this turn. Or next turn. Okay, that's good. Okay. I wonder now... Oh, fuck me. Fuck! Yeah. Oko's dead. Nothing I can do. Oh well. Is what it is. We'll play Splendor here next turn. Yeah. Just play bombs. Nice. That would have been really cool. This line. Oh, okay, cool. What do we do here? I have 8 mana. I'm just gonna draw 4. Let's see what's up. 3. Do this. Actually, we want it on itself here, so it doesn't trade. Attack. Nice rare. Are they gonna rope me? You know, going Oko into Overwhelming Splendor, can't really blame them, can you? Plus, we're up 10 cards. Yeah, they're gonna rope. I mean, if they kill my Overwhelming Splendor, we're in pretty deep shit, right? Okay. Let's do this first. Let's see what we get here now. So I could run away together when they go for their double. I'm just going to swing with both. I don't care. I don't feel the need to get cute. So we do that. I have 3 mana left. It's unfortunate. Next turn, I play Forerunner, and then all my shit gets trampled. Sure. Sure. Now we'll run away together. Okay. All right. That was a pretty quick 3-0. Turns out Oko in the top half of the deck 3 times works pretty well. And Overwhelming Splendor is also pretty good. So, yeah, bombs win in sealed is what it is.